This is Dewax 10 ml eardrops. There here 36 years of ear service. This is super. This is super. See here, Vaxolytic, antibacterial, antifungal, Vanguard. These are all the ingredients. These are the indications for external use only. Dewax. The price is 155 rupees. 11 2024 expiry date is 10 2026. Let us see how it look like. This will look like this. Dewax 10 ml. See, this is the seal. Seal is broken now. See, seal is broken. This is the seal. Now you have to break this. See, there is a sharp point on this. There is a sharp point inside of this. See now. Now you can have a look. Sharp point, small one, small point. What you have to do is that you tight it fully. Tight it fully. When you tight it, it will make a hole in this. See now. Once it is, see now I am dropping, for example, the hole is made due to this. Don't put any metal inside to make a hole. So it is now, see, I am pressing, the drop is coming. Yes. For making a hole, don't use such type of fins. It is very dangerous. It will get contaminated. Don't use this type of pins. Now it is ready to use. For little more information, this is Vanguard Private Limited, Hyderabad, 500038 Telangana. 36 years of ear experience means it is super for the ear. Is super awesome. How to use this? Use 2 times a day or as prescribed by the doctor. 2 times a day or as prescribed by the doctor. That will be the better. Don't take your own decision and use it. Go for the doctor's advice. Every medicine, it is very better to consult the doctor. Apply 3 drops, 3 to 4 drops maximum. Like that, apply 3 to 4 drops only, not more than that.